So today we're going to show you the final product of the A-frame that we bought last fall and have remodeled and updated inside. We had the front door replaced with a full window in it, so it helps add light into the dining room area. The kitchen was a total tear out, and we reconfigured the layout, and then got all new cabinetry, countertops, and all new appliances, including a dishwasher, which wasn't here before. When you enter the house, you come directly into the dining area, which is adjacent to the kitchen. Full bathroom, all new plumbing, new cabinetry, lighting. There's an exhaust fan, a very nice size closet for storage of linens and other supplies. And we did keep the beautiful 1970s olive green shower unit. I tried my hardest to find the matching toilet and vanity, but couldn't find them. This is the living room where we did new flooring here, lovely tile. We've got cable hookup and can access the elevated deck off the back. This is the lovely deck off the living room. Recently power washed, and you have access down the stairs to the large yard. Off of the living room, you access the stairs. At the top of the stairs is one of the closets. This is the second or back bedroom. It has all new Marvin insulated windows. We
had to take out the old skylight because we needed an egress, and this is a Velux. There's a screen on the outside. The window opens all the way up. The shade comes down like that.
This is the front bedroom. This is the closet for the front bedroom. Let's go down to the basement. This is the walkout basement, which has a washer and dryer and utility sink. We have a brand new heating oil tank, a furnace that's only 5 years old, electric water heater. We've had the house rewired, including putting in approved smoke and carbon monoxide detectors on every floor. We had the plumbing redone, and down here, new windows put in. This basement's over 700 square feet. Lots of room for a workshop or office or comfy chairs to watch TV on the warm days.
We have since covered up the insulation and framed in the windows.
Easy access to the basement, walk out under the deck. You can access the yard from the deck, enjoy the space and privacy. We have a large mock orange bush in the side yard. On the other side of the house, a big hedge of lilacs. Right near the deck, a good mature apple tree, and there's plenty of room to do vegetable gardening or flower gardening. When we moved into our house, I almost immediately noticed the A-frame next door, and we were very lucky to be able to purchase it when it came up for sale. And I've really enjoyed updating it and hopefully creating a great space for somebody to enjoy and live in, and be glad they're here. And you can enjoy the view of Tom and Linus.